Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be reading a book called Which Seed Is This? Since you've been starting to learn about plants in science. Which Seed Is This? By Lisa Amzutz. I recognize those seeds. I think I've eaten a few of those. The amazing seed. A seed is the beginning of a new plant. Wind, water, or animals carry a seed to a new spot, where it rests a while, but with the right amount of water, soil, and heat, it will sprout. Look at that, a coconut sprouted. Often hiding in pulp, a seed has three parts. If you break a seed open, you're going to see a brand new tiny plant inside. And around the plant is food to help it grow. A seed coat on the outside helps keep it safe. Now each plant will make its own kind of seeds. And these seeds come in many colors, shapes, and sizes. Can you guess which plant makes each seed? We're going to keep writing and make our best guess. And then I will tell you the right answer. Ooh, there's our pumpkins. Okay, now look at those seeds right there. I have to switch hands here. Okay. These yellow kernels grow in neat rows on a cob before they were removed. The cob grows on the tall stalk of a kind of grass. It is one of the most common plants in the world. Now there's your four choices. Do you think it's wheat, corn, bean, or oat? If you guessed corn, you got it right. Oh, there's those seeds that I thought I had eaten before. Look at those guys. The plant that grows this seed can be 10 feet tall. Its huge flower head is the size of a plate that you eat your dinner off of. Both birds and people like to eat these seeds. Is it going to be from a sunflower, a rose, a bean, or a water lily? It came from a sunflower. Look at this great big seed. The biggest seed in the world grows at the top of a tall tree. The seed can weigh up to 50 pounds. If you crack open the seed, you will find white meat and milk inside. Do you think that comes from a coconut tree, a pineapple, a walnut, or an orange? If you guessed coconut, you got it right. I didn't realize one could weigh up to 50 pounds. Wow, that is heavy. That might weigh more than some of you. Squirrels often bury these seeds to eat later. Sometimes they forget to dig them up and the seeds sprout into new trees. These trees can live for hundreds of years. I think almost all of us have seen those seeds before. Mrs. Tierney gets a lot of them in her yard. Oh, what do you think? An oak tree, peach tree, date palm, or coffee? If you guessed oak tree, you are right. Those were acorns. I have so many of them, I have to suck them up with a vacuum in August. It's a mess. Now, if you cut this fruit around the middle, you will find a star with 5 points. The star holds 5 to 10 teardrop seeds. If you plant a seed, it's going to grow into a brand new tree. Oh, your choices are banana, orange, apple, or grape. Those seeds you have seen in an apple tree before. Or not an apple tree, an apple before. They're from an apple tree. Now, look at those seeds. They kind of look familiar too. These seeds have fruits that whirl and twirl to the ground in spring. Some people call them helicopters. Each seed will sprout a tree with 5 pointy leaves that change color in the fall. What do you think? Sugarcane, pine, cherry, or maple? It is from that maple tree. Remember this fall when we were out on Forest Hills yard walking with our baggies collecting leaves? We found some maple leaves. And, oh, that looks familiar too. Which seed is this? Each one of these seeds has a bit of fluffy fruit attached. Whoosh! A gust of wind blows the fruit off their stems. Maybe you like to blow on them too. These seeds grow plants with bright yellow flowers. Ooh, bright yellow flowers. A lot of those are bright yellow flowers. So our choice could be a daisy, a daffodil, a dandelion, or a pussy willow. If you guessed dandelion, you are absolutely correct. Oh, look at how red this is. The red juicy flesh of this fruit hides many small seeds. Long ago, people were afraid to eat this fruit. They thought it was poisonous. But today we make pizza sauce and ketchup from it. I know we have a lot of ketchup lovers in our class. Could it be from a watermelon, a strawberry, a pepper, or a tomato? It's a tomato seed. Inside a tomato, you will find those seeds. Look at this crazy little guy. Looks like a little worm. What seed is this? This shiny black seed comes from a meat-eating plant. When an insect touches it, special hairs on its leaves. So when the insect touches the special hairs on the leaves snap shut, and the insect is trapped inside. The plant makes special juices to digest it. I used to have one of these when I was little that I had bought at a store. Used to have to feed it hamburger. So our choices are a thistle, a cactus, a pitcher plant, or a Venus flytrap. And remember it said there's little hairs. So look, which one would you see little hairs? If you guessed the Venus flytrap, you are right. So whenever an insect lands right in here, this closes, and then it will digest, it will eat the little insect that lands in there. And if you have one of these at home where bugs won't land in, you put a piece of like hamburger in there, put a piece of meat, and it will close and eat that. Interesting plant. Now we're on to some brown ones. Do those look familiar? Little hooks make these fruits prickly. They hitch a ride on your sock when you walk through a field. That's how they get to new places to grow. The new plants will have big hairy leaves that are shaped like hearts. I have to say I have had some seeds attached to my socks before when I've gone through the woods, and they'll attach to my dog too. But I don't think they've ever been raspberries. Has it been poison ivy, a rose, or something called a burdock? It is a burdock. I just never knew they were called that. I always called them pricklies. I have pricklies attached to me. You may have had that too. Now this is the page that tricked me. Look at those up close. Now these seeds start out small, but they grow into the world's tallest tree. Look up to the sky. Each tree has sharp, pointed leaves called needles. Well, friends, when I looked at those, I thought they were pine cones. And so my guess on this page was wrong. Your choice are eucalyptus, which we know koalas eat, a redwood tree, bamboo, or pine? I can tell you that I thought it was a pine tree, and my guess was wrong. These are actually from a redwood tree. And these giant trees have a long life. One of these trees can live more than 2,000 years. I know that if you ever visit Florida, you can see those. So, really good job. Hopefully you guessed those right. So have fun with your science lesson today. And if you get to take a walk outside, see if you can find some seeds. Or when you're eating lunch, see if you can find some seeds in maybe some of the fruit that you are eating. So have fun, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.